Hello, in this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve limit as x approaches 0 sine 3x divided by 5x. And let's start by checking whether direct substitution works here. And this is equal to limit as x approaches 0 sine 3 times 0 divided by 5 times 0. And this is equal to sine 0 divided by 0. We know that sine 0 is 0 and this will give us 0 over 0. Direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form, 0 over 0. Because direct substitution fails here, we need another approach to solve the problem. And we know that limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is equal to 1. And we will use this fact here to solve the problem. And this is one of the most important limits in calculus. Now our goal is to bring the expression here. Okay. Our goal here to bring the expression in the form of sine x over x. Whenever you see a sine function in limits, look at the expression inside the limit, inside the sine function. For the standard trigonometric limit, the denominator must contain the same expression. If it is not there, you need to create it. For this problem, we have 3x here. So we need 3x in the denominator also. Then to get 3x in the denominator, I should multiply denominator by 3. Then I should also multiply the numerator by 3. So we get here limit as x approaches 0, 3 times sine 3x divided by 5 times 3x. And we can write it as limit as x approaches 0, 3 over 5 times sine 3x divided by 3x. Now, the denominator contains the same expression as we have inside the sine. And also, we have a constant here, 3 over 5. We can factor the constant outside the limit. So I will first take the constant outside the limit. Then this expression becomes 3 over 5 limit as x approaches 0 sine 3x divided by 3x. Now you can say that this is equal to 1 also, because we know that limit as x approaches 0 sine x over x is equal to 0. Then we know that 3x goes to 0. Since 3x goes to 0, we can say that sine 3x over the 3x is also 1. But I will say that here, if x approaches 0, then 3x approaches 0. And I will use here substitution. We know that if we say that 3x equals to u, then we know that now if x goes to 0, u goes to 0 also. Then for this function, for this problem, I will write 3 over 5 limit. Now, since x approaches 0, I can say that u approaches 0 here. And sine 3x, we know that 3x is equal to u, then I can say that sine of u divided by u also. Now, we here have limit as u approaches 0, sine u over u, and this approaches 1 here. Then we have 3 over 5 times 1, and this will be equal to 3 over 5. Okay, the answer is 3 over 5 here. In the next video, I will solve limit as x approaches infinity x times sine 1 over x. See you in the next video.